Welcome to another biology presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer this question right here. The question reads, identify the parts of the compound microscope labeled K, L, M, and N. So here on the left hand side, we have the compound light microscope. So this compound microscope is labeled K, L, M, and N. So first of all, we need to know the definition of a microscope. So a microscope is an instrument used for magnifying and viewing objects that are too small to be seen easily by the naked eye. So that is what a microscope is. So what is the name of the part labeled K? So the name of the part labeled K, this is the eyepiece lens. Okay? And when you look at the eyepiece lens, its function is just used to magnify further the magnification of the objective lens. Now look at the part labeled L. What is the part labeled L? So the name of the part labeled L, this is the body tube. Okay? And what is the function of the body tube? The body tube just supports the eyepiece lens at the top and revolving nose piece at the bottom. So this L, which is the body tube, is supporting this part K, which is the eyepiece. It's also supporting the part labeled M. Okay? So let us look at the part labeled M. What is the name of the part labeled M? So the part labeled M, this is called the revolving nose piece, okay, which is also being supported by the body tube right here. So what is the function of the revolving nose piece? So the revolving nose piece supports the objective lens and is rotated to bring the lens of desired magnification into what position. That is the function of the revolving nose piece. Let us now look at the part labeled N. The part labeled N right here. What is the name of this part? So the name of the part labeled N, this is the objective what lens. Okay? And what is the function of the objective lens? The function of the objective lens is just to magnify the specimen. So when we get a specimen and we put it on the stage, it's going to be magnified by the objective what lens. So we have answered our first question. Let us now look at our second question. So here is our question 2. The question reads, which part of the microscope magnifies the specimen? So we have the eyepiece right here. We have the we also have the body tube. We also have the revolving nose piece. We also have the objective lens. So they want us to identify which part of the microscope is able to magnify the specimen. So the part of the microscope that magnifies the specimen is the objective lens, which is the part labeled what N. So this is our answer, part N, which is the objective lens. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.